Hey, what's up? Here are 3 tips that you can use to be able to ask anyone out that you want to. Now, the first step is to do it in a casual way. If you come off as too strong, the other person is going to be very hesitant to not hang out with you. If you're saying, well, if you're not too busy and we should really hang out. You seem super cool. This. No, you don't want to seem like a fan. Just hey, be relaxed, be calm. Hey, I was wondering if maybe you want to hang out next weekend. Cool. Do it in a casual way. Some examples. If you're in class, you can say, hey, every time we try to talk, there's someone else, in our business, or there's always someone else bothering us. Let's hang out either at lunch or after school. Third one, if you're at a party, oh wow, it's always cool talking to you. Boom, let's hang out later today or maybe tomorrow, the next day. Step 2, common interest. You're always gonna have common interest with somebody. If you were talking to them about sports, you can say, oh, there's this awesome baseball game in 2 weeks. We should totally be over there. We should totally go. It was super cool. Or if you've been talking about, a specific type of food. Wow, I really, really love, how we talked about pizza for 20 minutes. I know there's a great place where I live. Boom. Awesome. Cool. See, those are just a couple examples that you can use to have common interests, to hang out with someone. Third one, and probably the most important tip, to have confidence. If you're going to ask someone to hang out, you should already have in your mind that you're a cool person and that the other person will want to hang out with you too. If you go in with that mindset, you have a way better courage and a way better mindset to ask them to hang out. So those are the 3 tips for you to be able to ask anyone out. Do it in a casual way, have common interest, and be confident.